Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, there is a pattern forming after 2020. Okay, and this pattern, what it says, overall trend we can see it has moved upside after making a high of around $129.60. There is a continuous downfall till the time it has not touched this particular level. Okay, and if you look at this particular pattern, what it says that whenever it crosses its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall has come, and after making this new high for that particular year I'm talking about. So okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen that once it started moving upside, suppose if it breaks this particular high, made a high for this particular time, and then sharp fall we have seen, it went upside, made second time high, and then a sharp fall we have seen, third time, fourth time, fifth time. It tried to make it for the sixth time at this particular level, but because of the war situation and all these things, we have seen there is a sharp fall. Okay, now it has made a low of around $70.30, and this is the swing fair where we have seen a probability that it is going upside. Before we move forward and explain you where the price of crude can move, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, if you look at this particular chart, a swing is forming at this particular level. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain, which is on higher chances because we have seen an uptrend. If you look at this particular trend from first week of January, we have seen it is continuously moving down, and if you look at this particular chart, there is 2 days continuously upside movement we have seen for the price of crude. So probability of going further upside is there. Suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can touch a level of $82.36, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $84. Okay, and suppose if the price move up this $84, what we can see, it will move out of this particular zone which has not touched since November of 2022. So chances are high that once it crosses this level, we can see it can touch its particular high of around 85.58. Okay, so once it sustain above 85.58, then probability of going further upside is there, and then we can see it can go towards a level of $87.32 to a level of around 92.61. Okay, so once it sustain above 92.61, then probability of going further upside is there, and we can see it can go towards a level of $100. But before that, we can see resistance coming at around $95, because this is the resistance which is already a weak. 93.94 is a weak resistance, so chances of moving further upside is there. So once it crosses the level of 92, probability is there it can cross this particular level also, and can go towards a level of around 95.26, and then once it sustain, then we can see a level of $97.24 to a level of 100.26, and if the price move up that level, then we can see it can go further high. Okay, so now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, or it form a swing at this particular level, but overall trend has started towards an upside till the time it is sustaining this particular level. Once it goes above a level of 85.58, then we can see, or if it sustain upside, we can see. But if this level form a swing at this particular zone, so we can see it can come down again to a level of around $81. Okay, and once this level goes further down, then we can see it can go further low towards a level of around $78.05. Okay, suppose if the price move below this particular level, then we can see it can fall further low and can touch a level of around $77. You have to keep this in mind that once it started moving down, then 77 is a strong support. So from there we can see a bounce back. But if this level breaks downside, then chances are very high that it can go further low towards a level of 75.41 to a level of $73. Okay, so once the price fall below 73.41, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of around $68, and from there again we can see a bounce back. So you have to understand, once it fall below a level of 73, we can see a level of $70, and then from there we can see a level of 68. We can see a bounce back can come. Okay, and once the price fall below this level, then we can see it can fall further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description and a Telegram link also. Okay, now understand something, what most people do, the mistakes. Okay, most of the trader lose money in trading. Okay, why most of the people do this mistake, that they try to recover that particular amount. So what I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. That is 1,000 to 1,500. Risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Okay, now suppose if you took 5 trades, maximum risk is $500, that is 100 per trade. Okay, now if you lose all 5 trades, maximum loss is $500, then stop the trade for the day and then trade the next day. What is the benefit? That you will not be in a pressure to recover your $500. Okay, rather you will focus more on profit the next day. What people do is they lose so much money in the first day itself, and then they try to recover it, and in that process they lose their full capital. This is what they do. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.